Gold has yet again reclaimed $1,800 levels and now trading at 1798. Those who followed the morning analysis definitely would have profited. Likewise, US 30 has seen 33,200 20 and US 100 has gone close to 11,050. So now what to expect next with the US cash session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next weekly updates will be released tomorrow any point of time. So stay tuned for the daily and weekly analysis. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and towards the end, Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels. Now, look at the hourly charts for gold. It has shown good swing, and if you see this, it is trying to trade in this channel. 1801 is high, 1795 is the support. 1795 is now going to be a very important support. It is as it always used to have been, and only sell entry I will recommend is below 1790. So once again, in between 1790 and 1801, do not take any trade today. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is in green and it is trying to converge. The RSI is trading flat here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can see this candle is trying to trade red. It has shown good swing, and yes, the lows and highs both are done here. So probably only sell entry. Similarly, likewise, 1790 and 1801 do not trade. Beyond that, 1801, you can expect that we are looking forward to 1808 and then 1812 levels. Beyond that, anything is a bonus. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is overbought and trying to look downwards. Let's see if it closes in red. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover. RSI flat. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, nothing special, similar observation. But this candle is trying to show a good swing, and hence once it trades beyond 1798 itself, you can expect 1801. Beyond 1801, sky is the limit on the upside. You can definitely expect 1805, 1808, 1812, 1818, 1824. In fact, anything is possible beyond that. Sky is the limit. If not today, possibly by next week we can see further more bullish moves. Directional movement bearish here. Stochastic trying to look upwards, trade bullish. MACD trying to converge. The RSI trading flat. So let me cut it short here and only buy entry at 1801. Only sell entry at 1790. In between these, $11. Do not trade gold here. On the downside below 1790, 1787, 84 and then 80 till 80. It has got very strong support. Only below 80 you can expect a strong drop, which might take it for 1774, 1770, and then as I told you several times, 1740-60 zone is a prime support zone for gold. On the upside, the levels are already shared. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. What to expect from Nasdaq 100? You can see Nasdaq 100 again trading below 11,000 levels, which is a critical resistance zone. Now see, it has shown good swing here. It is clearly getting a resistance here at 11,000, 11,020 levels. Only buy entry is beyond 11,020. If you see it trading above this zone, certainly you can expect it to trade bullish. You can expect more rise beyond that 11,050 first resistance, and then 11,100, 11,190 levels should be seen. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic comfortable, trying to look downwards. MACD in green, trading with divergence. RSI trading flat on the hourly charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can see the candle is still green, though it has shown good swings. It is still trading in green and it is trying to trade in this channel. The highs at 11,050, the lows here at 11,900, 10,900, and once it breaks past 11,050, more bullishness. See 11,100, very strong resistance in, and beyond 11,100 you can expect a further flight till towards 11,190, 11,220, 240 zone. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see it has shown good swing. The pivot here somewhere at 10,950 zone. Possibly once it trades below 10,900, more bearishness might bring it. But see 10,880, 840, 800, very strong support till 800. Below 800 only we can expect little more bearishness. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bearish here, trying to converge. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see this zone it is trying to trade in. So a possible buy at 10 880 10 900 can be taken, but you have to remain cautious as it can show you good swings on the upside and downside both. A comfortable buy entry is only about 10 11020 level, beyond which you can expect a rise for 11050 11100 and 11200. This zone at 11200 very strong resistance. Beyond that we can see a very strong bullish move. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic rising a bit. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trying to look downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, it has formed a good tail. It has formed a good wick out there. Now trying to trade moderately bullish and possibly beyond 11020. See, 11100 very good resistance. I have always told this, and possibility exists that it can break this resistance also. You have to be very watchful and observant here. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic rising a bit. The MACD is bearish, and one thing I can say that certainly it has seen the peak. Possibility of conversion from here exists. RSI trading flat, and considering this you can buy at 11020 and sell at 10900 20. Rather I said sell at 10900 itself, but then expect 10880 as the first target, 10840 next, 10800 next. Only below 10800 we can consider that as bearish. On the upside beyond 11190 levels you can expect little more bullishness. Beyond 11190 200 levels we can expect a rise which might take it for 11300 and 400 levels. The 400 levels you have to watch out for, that is going to provide maximum resistance. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones on the hourly chart. Very clear, it is trying to show you swing with this as pivot. The lows are done, the highs are there. Yes, beyond 33,120 levels you can buy. Expect 33,200 as the very good resistance, and beyond 33,200 we can expect it to fly for 33,400 33,500 levels. So yes, a good buy towards 33,200 is a good entry, and only below 33,000, rather I will say 32,900, this is the level below which you can expect a little more bearishness. So sell entry below 32,900, buy entry at 33,120. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also it is trying to show you a little swing. You can see the highs, you can see the lows, the pivot here, somewhere here at 33,080, 33,100 zone. You can certainly remain long above 33,120, expect 33,200, and then beyond that if it sustains, we can expect it to fly for 33,400 levels today itself. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI trading flat. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts, nothing different. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you can see this. The previous candle had a very good support at 33,000 levels. With that as support, it is trying to trade. Now see, this is the bullish channel it is trying to create. It has to break past this zone at 32,900 levels, because below that only you can expect little more bearishness to be seen. Else it can fly past. In fact, it can come to this zone, that is 33,400 levels. You have to be very observant. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a rise, trying to converge here. The MACD is in green with very little divergence, and RSI trying to look downwards. Considering this, you can buy at 33,120, expect a rise for 33,200, and beyond that we can expect 33,400 levels. On the downside, below 32,900 levels you can expect 32,850, 32,800 as the maximum support zone, and below 32,800, rather 32,780, below 32,780 you can expect a sharper drop which might take it for 32,700, 32,550 and 32,500 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.